to this video. If you use Brave browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply boost your Brave browser performance with the best settings so far. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is open up your Brave browser. After you open up your Brave browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on this three slider right here, and this is going to drop down. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you navigate to settings right here. So click on settings, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here from the sidebar right here. Make sure you navigate to system right here. Click on system, and this is going to pump up. Right here from the top right here where you have continue running background apps when Brave is closed. What you need to do right here is to make sure you turn off this particular button. By turning off this particular button, you relieve a lot of load each time you want to launch your Brave browser. And once you launch your Brave browser, by turning off this particular button, your Brave browser is going to open up very faster than ever before. Next, what you need to do here is to simply scroll down right here. Make sure you scroll down where you have memory saver. Make sure you turn on this particular button. So by turning on this particular button, then you have some additional right here. Moderate. Get moderate memory saving. Your tab become inactive after a long period of time. Then balance recommended. Here, get balance memory saving. Your tab become inactive after an optional period of time. Then the last one right here, maximum. Get maximum memory saving. Your tab become inactive after a shorter period of time. Now, if you are the type that use Brave browser a lot and you open a lot of tabs, and some of the time you open those tabs, you don't close them, and as a result of that, it consumes a lot of memory and it affects the performance of your Brave browser. What you need to do in this category is that make sure you set some of the tab inactive. So by setting some of the tab inactive, it makes your Brave browser performance improve and you are going to enjoy your browsing experience with Brave browser. So what I'm going to do in this tutorial here is to simply make it moderate. Get moderate memory saving. Your tab become inactive after a long period of time. So let's, for instance, you open a particular tab for like 1 week, you did not visit the tab in your Brave browser. So the Brave browser is going to make the tab inactive and default the rest of the performance into the current tab you are working on. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply improve the performance of your Brave browser with important settings, just like I referred to you in this video. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Brave browser. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video.